What's up fam, in this video we are making a new jazz beat for Kairo Keyz or Young Price maybe. I will show you step by step from scratch how to make a melody, a drum part, and everything we need. First thing first, we're starting with our melody. I'm using Xenology. I think that it's must-have plugin to make a jazz melodies, which we need. I'll cook up this beat in D minor. You can right click here and choose your scale you want, and then every button you playing on your keyboard will be in the right scale, yeah? Firstly, we need to understand how we can build the new jazz progression. We play notes in our scale like 6, 5, 1. I'll show you right now. It's our root note, so it's the first note. Yeah, 6, 5, and 1. BPM is 140, you can use 144, 148, yeah. So that we have from our chord progression. That's fire, I love new jazz. And from these notes we can build our chords. This is the dark notes and white notes, yeah. We're using the white notes in a right scale view, scale highlights. And you can choose your scale, then skipping one white note. And what we have the chord. We can add more, yeah, but I want to make a little bit darker, so I'll delete the middle note and make yeah. Alt S, then strum a little bit. And the second part, I'm just make it a little bit upper. One octave. Also, the one good way to make your melody sound better, you can layer. I'm just using this piano and I'm copying the previous pattern on our new piano. The next thing what I want to add, it will be a pad. Yeah, maybe this. I'm just using my root notes. I decided to leave on the root notes. Another thing what I want to add, it will be a brass. That's good. Putting my brass in this part, one octave down, to make a difference between these parts, yeah. I have found this lead, I think it will be fire. Also, we can add the jazzy thing, like, and a little bit sliding there. Yeah. One more lead. secret sauce for melodies. You can use a one shot, or if you don't have one shots or you like another lead, yeah. Yeah, I found this. I'm put it on our C note. I'm creating a new pattern, putting this on a C note, and render it's with a combination Ctrl-Alt-C. I'm consolidating this pattern and use it right now as a new melody here. So we are coming back to the pattern one and enveloping this something like that. And right now you can use a slide notes to make something like yeah, and we can invert it. Then I'm adding theorem. To make a bass, yeah, for our loop. I'll mix it a little bit and then we're starting to make a drum. Step right clicking here, split by channel, and we have our synthesizer separated. And here is our melody. We can use our patterns. Maybe it will be like an intro. Here we have 4 parts, first, second, third and fourth. It will be our melodies for arrangement. Right now we are making a drum part, so we're creating a new pattern here. With the bass I'm always enveloping this too. And maybe a little bit boosting. Clone. Adding some different basses because we are making a new jazz here. And here we need to find our notes we used before to make our bass part. Skip here. It's all before. The next step, it will be a clap, just a normal clap, but here on the third part, making something like this. Then a little bit of hi-hats. If we are making for Kairo Keyz, yeah, we must use this mixed kick with a snare maybe, yeah, and put it in a and make a hood trap pattern. Just follow me. below the open head. Also can add a ninja snare. I want to use a drill shot. Yeah, it's like, it sounds like a normal drill shot, yeah. So I'm put it in our root notes. Also I want snaps, I want to hear Jersey Club snap. So right now I'll mix fast, but first I will show how I'm mixing basses, yeah, to make it more punchy or something like that. You choose your basses together, right click mouse here, roll to this track only, yeah, and all your basses will play here together, yeah. To make the basses more punchy, I'm adding adapter sculptor and make a transverse up to 50, yeah, or normally it's 40. And bass will be punchy a little bit, yeah. So doing the same thing, right click on a pattern, split by channel, and all your drums are in different channels right now. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button. When here will be 100 likes, I'll drop the FLP link in comments. Let's check the full beat.